don't forget the belt buckle move. Once you get up here, basically, if this hip comes forward and you throw this belt buckle as fast as you can, everything comes down. No arms. Okay? This belt buckle does it all. Does it all. Pulls your head down and back, like so. So you can stay behind the ball. So, down, brings it down and back. And that gives you the hip bump you need. You're just trying to forget about this back leg. Once you do that, there's no weight on it, maybe 10%. The main thing is throw this belt buckle as hard as you can. Everything will work for you.